The Novade platform connects all projects and users in the field. All field processes are managed in one single application. The platform includes 6 modules: safety, quality, reports, activity, workforce, and maintenance. Modules are built on a common platform, enabling access and synchronization from all devices. Data is safely stored on the cloud through secure servers. The Novade platform is secure, reliable, and scalable. Users can access the data through applications that are available on web browsers, iOS, and Android devices. All applications work in offline mode. Users can continue to operate without internet access. Documents are easy to access in the field. You can easily mark up drawings, annotate pictures, and visualize 3D models from your device. Any type of process can be managed with digital forms. You can configure custom workflows, create custom checklists, include pictures, drawings, and formulas, and add digital signatures for approvals. The platform offers a wealth of features to facilitate field operations, such as QR codes and GPS localization. Data can be visualized and analyzed with hundreds of powerful dashboards. You can export data as PDF documents or Excel files. And the Novade platform includes APIs to facilitate integration with enterprise systems. With the Novade platform, you can manage all activities in the field and leverage data to drive decisions, helping you work better, faster, and safer. Change the way you work with Novade.